We should have done it at the end then. Oh, hey, quick, check this out. It just shot out of the side.
What?
That was bizarre. Dude. That was awesome. It just like shot out.
Like just...
Yeah.
That's cool.
It was awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Dude,
that's the biggest bar of soap I've ever seen.
That is awesome. Wait, let's
open it all the way. Open it all the way.
Shape. Or like, fold it up or something. Because otherwise it's just gonna keep going out.
Dude, that feels radical.
I wanna feel it.
Fold up that side. Fold up that side.
Oh, that is. When you breathe it in, it tastes bad. Like through your mouth. Ooh, it's hot. Why don't you just hit start?
Because there's only 14 seconds left. Dude, I gotta pee so bad I can't stand still.
Me too.
It's kind of like a whale.
Dude, it is awesome.
Dude, that's cool. Is it expanding still?
Dude, that is the coolest thing.
Dude, I'm gonna take that to school tomorrow.
It looks like a dinosaur.
Yeah, like, no, yeah, it does.
We should take it to church. Dude, it keeps it. Dude.
It looks like a hand.
That is awesome. That's the coolest thing ever. Dude, the actual bar of soap is
still there.
No, it's like not even on the bottom. Watch, turn it. Look. It's dude.
Okay, close it.
Where are you going? Are you gonna come now? Huge.
Bar of soap? Yeah.
It's a bar of soap? Yeah.
Yes.
What happened?
I don't really know. It just... Oh, let's feel it when it's done.
Yeah.
Gosh. It just like, it came out from the bottom and then just started like foaming up. Like
Was there like water on the bottom before? Or?
Just the bar.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells bad though.
Whoa. That is weird.
It's like...
That was just a bar of soap.
Yeah.
It smells terrible, but...
Dude, Skyler, you should have seen it when it first started to expand. It just like shot out of the side.
I think it should be on. Oh my gosh.
You should do another one.
I'll take that back. That